So guys, into this video, comparing this two DC welding. This is the MA 500. This is inverter welding, and the name of the brand according to this is Makita, but just forget this name. I believe this is only a sticker. And this small one is no brand name claim, but on this label is MA 950, which is smaller than this. And this is my first DC inverter, which is capable to cut 0.3 mm metal. So the next thing I do is just to open it, these two, and check the inside of the machine. What is the difference between this small and this bigger one? And I start to this smaller one because it's easy compared to this one. This is the easy supply, just one MOSFET in this one, and this is two MOSFET. Size for the electronic part inside. You see input, then another MOSFET. There is only 3 MOSFET in this, and also this one. And the well, for me it's all the same. This one claim MA 500, that means 500 amp, and this one claim 950 MA 950. That means is 950 amp. That just a hoax. I've been using this for I think 2 years, more than 2 years, and this one is about 2 weeks. And it's totally the same. I think these two inverter capable holding up to 150 amps. And the price, this bigger one is 2,500 in the Philippine currency, and if I convert to US dollar, this is $50. And this one is 1,200 Philippine currency, and if I convert into US dollar, it's about 25. But for me, this two is the same power, capable only up to 150 amp. So this is 10 mm iron bar, and I will try this metal one, cutting this thin 10 mm iron bar. Pencil cut for 10 mm iron bar. So one, okay. Just cut and find in that. So let's just do it. Cut open and there's nothing wrong about this. Both of these is capable to cut 10 mm iron bar. So guys, if you have any questions in regards to this topic today, please comment in the comment section box, and I will reply as early as my opportunity. Thank you for watching, guys. See you to my next video.